Doomsday preppers are investing a lot on underground bunkers in preparation for catastrophic disasters such as pandemics, nuclear disasters, civil unrest, and other end-of-the-world events such as the apocalypse. The Wall Street Journal hints that doomsday preppers are in their underground bunker hideouts to ride out the coronavirus pandemic. So, if you are looking into owning an underground bunker, you should budget between $35,000 to $60,000 for it, depending on amenities you request for your bunker. For the very basic ones, underground bunkers can be as comfortable as you can ever imagine and even beyond. You can find everything you'll find in the outside world in it. This could be a cinema hall, a library, gym center, a garage for your luxury cars, a swimming pool arena, and lots more. Wondering how long you can live in an underground bunker? Well, as long as you have food and water. The very basic shelters can hold food and water for up to 30 days. However, larger shelters with underground floor storage can store food and water up to 6 months at a time. Underground bunkers are buried 4 to 6 feet into the ground. This way, it's able to withstand very heavy blasts. However, the underground bunker claimed to be the deepest is in Beijing, China. It's known as the Central Military Commission. It's said to be up to 2,000 meters, over 6,000 foot below ground level. Considering these, a lot of people have asked if humans should start living underground. Whether this option will be considered or not isn't clear up to this moment. However, experts believe that with a considerable amount of planning, humans could live underground. These considerations range from how to bury power lines and information system connections underground, planning for water transmission, sewage pipes, malls, basements, pedestrian tunnels, motorways, and so on. To wrap it all up, if you are considering owning an underground bunker, it's required that you get a planning permit from the authorized body where you reside.